Creating folders in Windows doesn't always require File Explorer. With PowerShell, you can create a folder in just a few commands, and you can even create folders at a specific location or several folders at once. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how. First, open PowerShell from the Start menu. Search for PowerShell and select it. For creating a folder in a location where you already have permission, a normal PowerShell window is usually enough. You don't need administrator access for a standard folder in your own files. Before creating the folder, it's a good idea to check where PowerShell is currently working. Type get location and press enter. This displays your current directory. To see the folders and files there, use getChildItem or its shorter alias dir. Now let's create the folder. Use the newItem command with the item type directory parameter. For example, type newItem item type directory name myfolder and press enter. PowerShell creates a new folder named myfolder in your current location. Yeah, that's all it takes. You can also create a folder somewhere else by specifying a full path. For example, use newItem item type directory path, followed by the location and folder name. This is useful when you don't want to change your current directory first. Just make sure the path exists and you have permission to create the folder there. PowerShell can also create multiple folders efficiently. You can run separate newItem commands or use a list of folder names with a loop when you're working with many directories. For a small number of folders, keeping the commands simple is usually easiest. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Finally, use getChildItem again to verify the folder was created. You should see its name in the directory listing. You can also open File Explorer and confirm that the new folder appears there, and that's how to create folders with PowerShell. The key command to remember is newItem with item type directory. Once you're comfortable with that, you can start creating and organizing folders much faster. So give it a try with a simple test folder first.